Could you please introduce yourselves?
Hello, I'm Sevinisa.
Hi, I'm Esma. We are 10th graders in Pertemniyel High School and we are from East Turkestan.
An autonomous district in China, but we're not Chinese.
Why did you come to Turkey?
It was because of the suppression, the political suppression of the Chinese government, and I think we've been immigrating since the 1960s.
I think there are more than 300,000 Uyghur Turks in Turkey. In 1980s, the immigration flow got more and more because of the political separation.
Was adaptation difficult?
I don't remember clearly because I was a kid, but I think it wasn't difficult because of the similarities. For example, communication was kind of easy because our mother tongue is a dialect of Turkish.
Since Uyghurs have the same ethnicity and religion with the Turkish people, the adaptation was not very difficult. For me, the alphabet was a real problem. In East Turkestan, we use Arabic alphabet. It was difficult to learn Latin alphabet when I moved to Turkey.
How were Turkish people's reaction towards you?
I think it wasn't very negative, but we realized that for a long time they didn't know that we exist. They thought us as other ethnicities, not as Uyghurs.
Yes, most of the time Turkish people thought that we are Chinese or Mongolian.
Yeah, because of the physical similarities to Chinese and Japanese people, such as eyes, they confused our ethnicity. But now, day by day, it's actually increasing because of the increasing population.
And social media helped this awareness develop. Now people in Turkey know why they are here in Turkey.
But it's not an arbitrary choice to leave your homeland and relatives to start a new life in a different country, but we kind of had to do it.
It's an obligation. We are not safe and happy in China anymore, and we are looking for a new home.
What is the biggest problem of Uyghur refugees in Turkey?
I think it's finding a job.
It's not easy to find a job as a refugee.
But we Uyghurs have realized that our culture and cuisine is very similar to Turkish people, so we've opened several restaurants around the city, and it was very useful for us because Turkish people actually enjoy our food.
Those restaurants are a good way of making money for Uyghur refugees.
What do you think about the future of Uyghur refugees in Turkey?
I think we're hopeful because it's developing day by day, and the Turkish people accept us in the community, but also we still struggle to voice our opinions and problems because of the political relations between Turkey and China. Even though government doesn't really help us, our society accepts us, Turkish people accept us, and that's why we're hopeful.
I agree. There was a protest march against Chinese government in Istanbul, and there were a lot of Turkish citizens supporting us.
And we think that the more Turkish people accept and support us, we'll blend in easily and become a part of it. And we're actually very grateful to Turkish people because of that.
Thank you very much for your support to our project.
You're welcome.